This review is of SlimFast Keto whipped triple chocolate meal replacement bar, free from artificial sweeteners and colors. Lose weight with the SlimFast plan. Yeah. Let's see. Parv, gluten-free, natural flavored with other natural flavors, made with whey protein. Oh man, that sucks. All right. Deliciously doable. Sure. Okay. One sensible meal, replace 2 meals a day, indulgent in 3 snacks. And I guess that's that. Distributed by SlimFast. Sweetened with nutritive and non-nutritive sweeteners. Okay, so this is vegetarian. And there's a blurb. And why keto? And another blurb. One bar has got 14 grams of fat, of which 8 are saturated, no trans fats, 5 milligrams of cholesterol, 110 milligrams of sodium, 15 grams of carbs, of which 9 are dietary, 3 grams of added sugar, and 3 grams of sugar alcohol, 7 grams of protein. And here are all of the vitamins and minerals that are in this, and the ingredients. Oh, it's got MCT oil. Well, that's good. Okay. Lots of stuff. Man. All right, well, let's give it a try. This is what it looks like. Well, it's okay, but it's not special. There's nothing special about the flavor or anything. It's kind of bland, really. I'll give it a 5.5 for flavor. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day.